Welcome to Touchstone Manor and your pool experience. First, we're going to walk down to the pool area. We're going to follow our main path. And we can access the pool directly when we get here. And as you're coming in, let's take a closer look. There's plenty of seating for your group. You can have up to 15 people here at Touchstone for a pool experience. And while you're here, in case the pool's not enough, you get access to all of our entertainment rooms. Let's take another quick look back here. Look at that pretty view. And the entertainment rooms have quite a few things to do. We've got our air hockey, chalkboard, whiteboard, small arts and crafts table. And as we go inside, there's a half bath. And we'll go to the next set of rooms, which include the billiards room, which also has access to the pool. And then, of course, the movie theater area with elevated seating, plenty of movies to pick from or bring your own. You can set up the popcorn machine and even use the wellness room and bring in a masseuse if you need a massage on your pool experience kind of day. Or obviously you get access to all of this when you rent Touchstone Manor with us.